Hi, I'm Steph, founder of Whizz. I'm a primary school teacher here in New Zealand and I have over 10 years experience in the classroom. I have particular expertise in literacy education. Today we're going to look at continuous blending and how this can support your child with their reading. What I often see when young children are reading words is they come to a word that they don't know and their parents encourage them to sound it out. They might say s-at. And if you're lucky, they'll put it together to say sat. They might get mixed up and do other combinations like san or sot because they've forgotten what the sounds were as they were putting them back together. Continuous blending is encouraging your child to hold the sounds as they read the unknown word so that they don't get mixed up and forget. For example, if we had this word that they came across in a book, we would encourage them to hold the sounds sat. Sat. So not sounding it out, s-at. We want continuous blending. S-at, sat. Let's look at a different word. This one's got a consonant blend at the start. It's got P and L, which go really well together when they're blending. Plan. Plan. Can you hear how I'm holding those sounds as I carry them through? After they've blended it, we want them to say it smoothly. Plan. For children that are reading slightly more complicated words, we would expect them to blend different chunks of the word. So this one here, we would expect them to blend note, book, and then put it together, notebook. If your child can hold these sounds, they're more likely to read the word accurately, which is going to lead to greater speed and fluency when they're reading.